of memorable moments that we're still tweeting and talking about, but what happened behind the scenes after the awards went off air as well. We have Stacey Russell here, entertainment writer for NBC6.com and the Miami New Times, to recap our favorite moments, the moments that everybody loved.
There were a lot.
There was a lot.
A lot. I would say the star of the red carpet was the cleavage. There was, and by the older gals, which I enjoyed. The younger gals were covering the girls, 50 plus, showing them off,
Yeah, good for you, Amy Poehler.
You had those children to give them, Amy Poehler, newly single, she was out on the carpet. Heidi Klum.
Yeah.
Song's bodyguard left her boyfriend bodyguard at home.
Yes.
We are slitting in the front. We're slitting in the all over the place. Gorgeous. I mean, and Kathy Griffin, she's never afraid to show.
No,
the
she's
girls.
not. Too much, or was it
There's
cool?
never too much.
Yeah.
You got to flaunt it. A lot of people pay for those. So if you didn't, why not?
Show up what you got, even
Show up what you got.
if it was yours. Jimmy Kimmel, let's talk about him. What did you think about Jimmy Kimmel as a host?
I think Jimmy Kimmel is a lot like Crabs from Joe's. It's going to be great. It's never going to let you down. I thought he was, after Ricky Gervais, he just caused quite the stir. So he was funny but not controversial. No one was offended.
Yeah.
I liked the Tracy Morgan bit. Again, I kind of wish it would have been someone really simple. And the opener for me with Jimmy was just amazing, with naked Lena Dunham from Girls, and then Kathy Bates, who's just stunning and a goddess in every way.
And apparently could save your life if you're ever stuck in a
Yeah, she is my personal Superman now.
Yeah.
But I would say the highlight was definitely Kathy, and then where was Oprah? Jimmy and Oprah are besties. I don't know where she was.
That you're absolutely right.
That was a disappointment for me.
Yeah, Oprah wasn't there. Maybe she was behind the scenes or something like that.
Her and Gail were drinking in the back, I think, probably.
Absolutely. Modern Family, a big winner last night. Everybody's still talking about Modern Family, right?
I don't know why we're still calling it the Emmys at this point. It is the Modern Family Awards now. I'm pretty sure they were literally 75% of one category at one point. I don't even know what we're doing. I don't know why other people show up. It was Homeland or Modern Family, but I mean, Modern Family is just epic.
Okay, you can't beat that.
You can't.
Thank you so much for being here. Hey, you want to keep up with Stacey Russell, right? So here's how you do it. For the latest TV, entertainment talk, anything you want to talk about, you can check her out on our website, NBC6.com, and MiamiNewTimes.com. You can follow her on Twitter. Her handle is @StaceyReneeINC.